Hey guys, uh, what we're unboxing today is what do you call hydration bag. I call this as underrated because not many motorcyclists know about this. Um, I mean, maybe they knew about it, but they don't consider this as a must-have accessory when they ride. But for me, this is a must-have accessory because this really do help a lot to hydrate yourself, to keep yourself active during your ride, keep the fatigue away. All right, so let's talk more about this particular product. This is from a company called Carbonado. It's an Indian company. They make excellent saddlebags and other motorcycle accessories. They even have laptop bags and stuff. So yeah, what you see here is the hydration bag, and this is the hydration sack. This has a 2 liter capacity, and yeah, it has a zipper. It also has a cover, so when you're driving, it prevents the dust from sticking to the pipe. Yeah, very reasonably priced. It's not very expensive. We do have so many imported brands available in the market, but this is I mean, I felt like this is one of the most reasonably priced item. Yeah, when it comes to the sack, we do have alternate options in Amazon. I will add some links in the description. Do take a look. But apart from that, this build quality is excellent for its price, and you can also carry some small stuff in this pouch here. You can carry your power bank or charging cables and other stuff here, GoPro accessories and everything. Yeah, not to weight too much because it might start making your shoulders sore. So it's just primary usage is just to keep the sack inside. And yeah, the straps are sturdy. It can handle the weight. And yeah, it has a lot of grooves at the back, so it doesn't get sweaty too much. And yeah, that's it. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, ride safe.